Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of automotive innovation with a detailed review of the upcoming 2026 Tesla, a car that's already making waves in the EV world with its futuristic design, enhanced performance, and next-level tech integration. Whether you're a Tesla fan or just curious about the next big thing in electric mobility, stick around, this one's packed with exciting details. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Tesla is its completely redesigned exterior. Tesla has taken a bold step forward with a sharper, more aerodynamic silhouette that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The lines are cleaner, the body sits lower, and the front fascia has been streamlined even more for efficiency. Gone is the traditional grille, replaced by a smooth, minimalist front with intelligent airflow systems that reduce drag. The new LED matrix headlights are slimmer and adaptive, capable of adjusting brightness based on road conditions and weather. Tesla has also introduced a range of new colors for this model, including a unique iridescent shade that shifts tone based on lighting, very futuristic. The flush door handles are still here but now respond faster and have an updated tactile response. The wheels, a brand new turbine-style design, not only looks great but improves airflow for better battery performance. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, is where things get really exciting. The 2026 Tesla is rumored to be powered by Tesla's new UltraDrive powertrain, featuring improved dual and tri-motor options depending on the variant you go for. The base model is no slouch, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, while the performance model does it in a jaw-dropping 2.2 seconds. Tesla's engineers have pushed the limits again with better weight distribution and lower center of gravity, which means tighter cornering and less body roll, even at high speeds. The battery technology has also been upgraded to what Tesla is calling the 4680X cells, allowing a range of up to 450 miles on a single charge. That's not just great, it's class-leading. Charging has also seen a major upgrade, thanks to improved V4 supercharging compatibility, delivering 250-plus miles in just 10 minutes. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a vehicle cabin. Tesla's approach to minimalism is still very much alive, but everything feels more refined and premium. The centerpiece remains the large touchscreen, now with an even slimmer bezel and a more responsive interface. It supports full 4K resolution and comes with a customizable UI that adapts based on whether you're driving, parked, or relaxing. The steering yoke returns, but this time with better haptic feedback and more intuitive controls, including swipe-based turn signals and smart cruise toggles. For passengers, Tesla has added ambient lighting, new ventilated seats with memory foam cushioning, and a panoramic glass roof that's been enhanced to reduce glare and heat even more efficiently. The audio system, studio-grade, with 20 speakers and an AI-tuned immersive sound experience that adjusts based on speed and road conditions. Now, let's talk pricing. Tesla has positioned the 2026 model strategically to appeal to both existing fans and new buyers. The base model is expected to start around $49,990, with the long-range version priced near $59,000. The performance variant, offering the most thrilling acceleration and advanced tech features, will likely cross the $75,000 mark. There are also talks about a possible Plaid Plus variant, which could go above $90,000, packed with additional horsepower, exclusive design elements, and enhanced AI features. While these prices aren't confirmed yet, they give us a pretty clear idea of Tesla's market strategy: premium, but competitive. So, in summary, the 2026 Tesla isn't just another update, it's a statement about where the future of electric cars is heading. From its cutting-edge design and jaw-dropping performance to its smart, tech-rich interior and thoughtful pricing, Tesla is once again setting the bar for the entire auto industry. If you're considering making the switch to electric or just looking for the most advanced car on the horizon, the 2026 Tesla definitely deserves your attention. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment what you think about Tesla's latest innovation. See you in the next video.